Don't you ever just have one of those days where you just gotta cut your muffler off? Yeah, I don't know. That's what I just did to the Burb. She's almost ready to go. I mean, I got some forward gears, but no reverse. So, I don't know. It's ready to go. Going to be taking her down to the transmission shop. First thing we meet in Ford Automotive at Neil's. And get ready to be done. I just sort of half-ass cleaned it out. Got my jack and tools and grinder, which not really, well, whatever. Yeah, I got all that shit. Got that shit. Spare tire. Almost ready to go. Yeah, dual exhaust. True dual. I'm gonna cut the cats off eventually and run dual exhaust. You can get a crossover dual input exit, whatever, like one of those fancy fucking crossover mufflers to go where the cats were, and then just have a guy run duals out. I'm just thinking just straight out. This thing's gonna be badass. I might do a friggin' lift on this thing too and put 33s on it. I think 33s would be great. I have to get different tires, obviously, wheels and tires, but 33s would look awesome on this thing. Look, she's almost ready to go. And through this, I'm gonna hit 200,000 miles. Like I said, I don't really think this is a real mileage, but, well, whatever. I'm gonna hit 200,000 miles. Oh shit, I gotta adjust that mirror. Anyways, hopefully this thing makes it. There's a good possibility of this thing ending up behind the Ranger or tow truck, or I don't fucking know. Anyways, we'll be back. Holy shit, it's coming down like you wouldn't believe. But we're at Neil's. I just got a patch panel for the Suburban out of another Suburban, and it was really shitty put on, but the panel was in good shape, so I just fucking ripped her off. Perfect, the patch panel I needed for the rear quarter, which I'm gonna be fixing. Anyways, we're about to leave. Yeah, I got new wipers.
We're alright. The rest of them are stupid.
Yeah, they're all a bunch of dumbasses. So hey guys, the Tanner right there, Ford Automotive. Oh no, I gave out his name.
I don't care.
Yeah, so Ford Automotive here, well, I am apparently 11 miles, well, actually 10 miles and 7/10 away from 200,000 miles, which is pretty good. And we're having some Wendy's.
Lunchtime.
Yeah, it's lunchtime. It's only 11:56. We're supposed to be.
That's close enough.
Well, no, I'm saying like we're supposed to be there by 1. And that, I mean, we're only like 25 minutes away, so.
I think it's more than that.
30 maybe.
We're at exit. We got off at exit 126. We got to go to like exit 90 something. We still got about 30 miles, which is about 30-40 minute drive.
Yeah.
It's about a Bloomington drive.
Yeah, that sounds about right. But yeah. Hopefully this guy will not fuck me over. I think he's a pretty decent.
Yeah, no, I can't fix this.
Honestly, I've just talked to him on the phone, so I don't know anything about it. He might just sell me a crappy transmission. I don't know, but it's gonna probably be good, better than this one, because I don't have reverse, really.
You barely have any reverse. It still backs up, but
yeah,
it takes like 9 years.
Yeah. So we're probably about to leave, but after he's done eating.
We still gotta stop at the gas station. I still gotta piss.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, 1 mile. It's gonna hit 200,000. Damn, I wish the cruise control worked on this thing. eventually, but 1 mile. It's half a mile. I mean, I don't even know if this mileage is correct. It might not be, but honestly though, I mean, I think I'm gonna reset the trip right when it hits. No, I'll reset it after the transmission's in. 99999 all nines. 199. Yeah. What? It's. Oh fuck. 200,000, baby. Okay, now I gotta get out of this fucking left lane going like fucking 60 miles an hour. Now I'm actually gonna drive. I got a massive driveline vibration. Trying to keep it slow. It just all of a sudden started. Kind of feels like the other Suburban, but worse. But I literally have like 3 miles. So, I mean, you better fucking make it. But like literally just the driveline vibration just started. Might have a U-joint going away. Or it could be the rear bushing on the, well, it'd actually be on the transfer case. On the transmission, I don't know. Whatever, the guy's gonna take care of it, pretty much. I'll just tell him that I felt the driveline vibration. And watch his drive shaft falls down and pole vaults the car. We made it, and this is a cool place. Yeah. Got some cool cars. There's like a donk vehicle. Car Guys Auto Works. Got that. Fucking shipping crate for Cummins, or I don't know what actually it has in it. Might be a Cummins. It's a fucking plow truck. I mean, you know, that's like rust free. It's just beat up. Yeah. The transmission's going out of this thing. I can kind of smell. Is that your clutch I smell? Or is that my brakes I smell? Is that your clutch I smell? Or is that my brakes? That might be my brakes.
I don't smell nothing.
Oh, it might be this guy's clutch. Yeah.
Who knows?
Look at that. I mean, and then look at that. This is like a donk. Yeah. Yeah. Cool place. I'm gonna go shut her down. Might have to move some of my stuff into your truck. I guess I'm gonna keep leave my tools and shit in here, but yeah, they're not gonna steal them. I mean, this is an awesome shop. I mean, Rush is playing. Like, it's a Tri-5, or no, that's not Tri-5. What is that? Anyways, a Linglong.
A Linglong.
Yeah. Suburban's in good hands. Suburban's in good hands.
Now.
Yeah, hopefully they fix it. I can't wait to get some center caps. I'm thinking to get those push-through center caps for those wheels. Mm-hmm. The chrome ones, and those will look good. I know I had those center caps I bought, but it turns out I can't get them to fit to these wheels because it turns out Million out fucked them up. And also, I was really stupid and I was thinking I could basically just self-tap them into the wheels. And then I remembered that the hub is there. I can't go into the hub.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, anyways. Hopefully they're gonna fix it. Oh shit, did I leave the lights on? I gotta make sure I didn't leave the lights on.
You didn't leave the lights on, they're off.
Okay.